Evolet, an electric two-wheeler manufacturing company established as early as 2019 and headquartered in Gurugram in Haryana, near New Delhi in North India, unveiled a slew of electric vehicles at the Auto Expo 2020. The company is headed by squadron leader Prerna Chaturvedi, who is the CEO and ED of Evolet. Evolet is basically the electric arm of Risala Electric Motors. Popular singer Daler Mehndi visited the Evolet stall at the expo. The products unveiled at the expo included a scooter, a bike and an ATV, all these electric, and they are expected to be launched by June this year, according to the CEO of the company. The Hawk electric motorcycle is a fully fared motorcycle more on the lines of a sports bike. It has telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock unit at the rear for its suspension. The front wheel gets twin discs while there is a single rotor at the back. Top speed is billed at 120 km per hour and the bike does 150 km on a single charge. The company says that the battery can be charged fully in 3 to 4 hours. Power comes from a 3 kilowatt motor backed by a 72V 40Ah lithium-ion battery. The company also showcased the Raptor electric scooter. It is powered by a 3000 watt motor and has a 72V 40Ah lithium-ion battery. The range on a single charge is expected to be between 100 to 250 kilometers with a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour. The charging here also takes around 3 to 4 hours. The Raptor will have features like mobile charging ports, USB ports, etc. A very unique product was the Warrior Electric ATV, and the first of its kind in the country. It comes with a host of accessories, and this one travels 50 kilometers on a single charge and can achieve a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour. The Dhanno e-moped is targeted for the rural areas of the country. The lithium-ion battery powers a brushless 2000 watt motor with a 72V 26Ah battery that can travel about 80 kilometers. This is a true load carrier and can take a load of 450 kgs, which makes it a perfect rural king. The company also showcased e-scooters like the Derby and the Polo, besides an electric three-wheeler.